seconds. Aurelio. Foul by Selga. Remaining time 22 seconds. Aurelio for 1 point for Team Oscar. Remaining time 22 seconds. Selga for 1, no good, rebound by Melo. Last 15 seconds. Gonzalez for 2, no good, rebound by Selga. Last 10 seconds for 2, no good. Remaining time 6 seconds. Black Panthers ang bola. Pampanga 5, 4, 3, to Glory 2, to winner!